My name and my role is Frederick Winter. My role here is machine cell manager. My department supplies the plant with cut to length and milled parts along with formed panels. Some things people wouldn't realize about this department is, how difficult keeping these machines running and queuing everything up at the same time so it hits assembly floor all at the same time. Couple major functions of this area is bending the panels. So we're forming them all from coil and turning them into tight tolerance sheet metal. It's a lot of tolerancing that we gotta hold for the 90 different models of covers that we have. So the Prima specifically is so important because without this machine, you would need at least 5 to 10 operators doing the same function. Instead, we have 2 operators per shift running this machine and producing up to 200 covers a shift. So very, very important to have kind of like a system that can kind of handle this in one run, really. I have a small team, but they're very powerful. We deal with a lot of the technical parts of this business, and there is typically a pretty large learning curve with this. And all my guys, through hard work and dedication, they got to where they are now, and they're make over close to 200 covers a day. This place is awesome. It's like an engineering playground. A lot of work, a lot of sacrifice weekends, a lot of time was spent here. I love it here, and it's very, very fun, fulfilling work.